Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my friend Joe in New Jersey on his Ranger RCI 99N2. Joe, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, audio mods, modified SRA 198, also cap upgrades, electrolytic cap upgrades, the voltage regulator upgrade, high cut noise filter, 10 kilohertz switch, clarifier mod. It's ready to go, man. Let's get right to it. Gonna start with RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. We get set at 5 watts all the way down. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Work out great with like an 8 pill. Hair over 50 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing, and remember we are on a noise canceling. Probably see a little more of the Superstar. Hello. 100-watt slug in the corner. 250-watt slug in average. Hello. 125 bird average. This thing is rocking. 250-watt slug in peak. Hello. 250 watts over in the corner. Alright, Joe, we're going to get it out to you. You're going to enjoy it. I don't know what mic you run, but with the modifications done to this SRA 198, it's got a big wideband bold sound to it. I can do this to any of the SRA 198s. If you're looking to purchase one, just ask me about the mod and we'll get with it, okay? Joe, enjoy from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.